Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you, this is a Ford 4000 gas tractor. So for the research I've done, it's a serial number 3064. Best I can find, it's between a 63 and a 64 year model tractor. The tins on this tractor are extremely nice. It is an original tractor. I cannot find where anything's been redone. Listen, this is a cheap tractor. I'm selling it very cheap. I don't have time to put it through the shop and do our normal thing that we normally do with stuff. Our other interests are other in equipment right now. This is a trade-in piece. It come out of a barn. The thing is in nice shape. It's a nice old tractor. This rim is going to need a new tube put in it. The valve stem is broke. It's not leaking. There is a little rust here around the rim that could be fixed. The rest of the rims are excellent. It is still 6-volt system. It does start up, run and work. It's got power steering. According to what I have read, these are supposed to be a 62 horsepower overhead cam gas engine. Somebody I'm sure will correct me if I'm wrong. The tachometer works. The tach works. The hour meter's working. Shows 2,550 hours. Half believe that is correct. It's just a neat old tractor. We're going to show you here around it. We're going to see if it'll start back up. And the battery's a hair weak. It's been sitting here all summer. I traded this thing in like May of this year, and we just now get time to fool with it. The fuel tank is clean. It's not rusty. Underneath the hood, you can see everything is there. This engine has factory equipped Autolite spark plugs, and it's even stamped here. Engineered, manufactured by Ford Motor Company for maximum engine performance and economy. That sticker's still on there. The chrome emblem here on the hood. There's somebody out there that is a Ford 4000 or has a bunch of Ford stuff. This tractor, as far as the sheet metal wise, is very, very nice. Front tires are good shape. It is power steering. It has a cool little valve in the tank. You flip back and forth to shut the fuel on and off. The headlights need going over. They don't work. This rim is good. Tire's good. I think they're, 13 628s. 540 PTO. PTO works. 3-point works. The tractor even has a set of live hydraulics on the back, and they work. I checked that. The seat needs to be dealt with and replaced or repaired. Somebody has a block of wood under it. Brakes are decent. These old tractors never had great brakes in my opinion, but does stop the tractor. This has a 5-speed transmission, which is really cool. I had to figure out how to shift it. So up, you're going to have reverse and third. Halfway down, you're going to have first and second, and then whole way down is fourth and fifth. Really pretty cool. Matt, show them up here. The fuel gauge did not work. Temp gauge, oil pressure carries like 40 to 60. Tach works. I'm going to go ahead here, see if I can get it to toggle switch here under the hood. You can see here the tach works. It's been running here. It was on 2,554 hours. It's now at 2,555 hours. The tach is working. It's just a neat old tractor. I'm going to hop on it here. We're going to show you it goes through its gears. So again, halfway down and back is going to be first. Forward is going to be second gear. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and bring it back up. And I'm going to go ahead and go in reverse. There's reverse. Now, if I go clear forward, that's third. Brake. Left brake needs adjusted some, but it does bring it to a stop. Let me go back up here, go to reverse. We're going to catch fourth and fifth for you. Power steering works good. Twin cylinder. Now, clear down is going to be fourth and fifth. So there is fourth, and here is fifth. So, if somebody's looking for a little cool tractor this winter to fool with, it'd be an awesome little brass chocolate tractor if you didn't have anything. PTO in, PTO out, still turning.
Yep.
Clutch clear in, PTO out. There that is. 3-point up. Adjuster free. It has the stampings on the Ford, on the fender. And we're going to head back to the third here. Carrying 58-pound oil pressure there, wide open. There's somebody out there who'll find this to be a cool tractor. Again, I was shocked whenever I read about that, what the horsepower was on these. But that's what it shows. All the data that I've shown, like this original decal is even right here, where it says on it, Ford Motor Company. There you can hear it sit there and idle. The grill's in nice shape. It's just, as old as the tractor is, it's in very, very nice shape for what it is. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please understand when you come here, it's as is, just the way it is. There's nothing we know mechanically wrong. It needs going over. If it had a tune-up, which you can buy that for like 90 bucks right at New Holland, actually. They sell a tune-up kit, wires, cap, rotor, button, plugs. That's what it needs. As far as carb's good, doesn't smoke. There's no excessive blow-by anywhere, but if you're looking for a neat old tractor, here's something to take a look at. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.